clothes, makeup, hair care, notebooks, tripod, cameras and laptops. And welcome to another vlog. As you can see from the backdrop and probably even the title, I am in a new location. I am at my new house. So I think about 3 or 4 months ago I posted my empty house tour. I posted a moving vlog, and towards the end of the moving vlog I said to be continued. Little did I know it would be continued after like 4 months. So I'm here at my new place, which by the way isn't too far away from where my parents live. I literally just got in the car from my place and got here directly. And another thing that you guys are probably wondering is, am I like gonna meet my friends and stuff like that? No, I'm not meeting any of them, even though they literally live so close to me right now. But I'm not gonna be meeting anyone except Aditya. So Aditya has been living in Alibag since 20 days. Yes, quite a few days, and there are no cases around like where he used to stay at the Happy Place Villas. And similarly for me as well, I've been staying at home since the last 4 months. So both of us are safe here. The main reason why I've come here is because of Simba Lifestyle. So we recently launched new colors for our trunks. Right here, yeah. So we've launched new colors for our trunks and the response was crazy, and it would have been impossible and unfair for Aditya to pack everything himself, like hundreds of trunks. So I'm here to help him out, and yeah, I mean that's really the main reason why I'm here. Also, I was missing this place so much. I've been meaning to like redecorate and just like get started. So thoda bahut wo bhi kar lenge. Aaj mera mattress bhi aa gaya, so wo bhi unbox karna hai. So there are like a few different things happening today in this vlog rather, and it's gonna be all over the place, so just warning you in advance. And yeah, let's just get started with today's video. So let me start by showing you the state of the living room. This is I think batch number 3 ready to be dispatched, partially ready to be dispatched. So that's a mess. Other than that, the other side, the left side of the house, this is what it looks like. So messy. I know I have so many parcels from Amazon that I need to unbox. Everything's home decor. I think I'll do it in today's vlog. Also, look at the mirror that arrived. So I got this custom made. You'll see it in like a living room tour or something like that. So this is what the before looks like. We still have those curtains on that came with the house. So I'm gonna change them now.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.
And this is what the after looks like. I think it looks so pretty. There's one curtain missing. I definitely need to get one more for here. But I think other than that, it turned out super pretty. I love the way it looks. Okay, so as mentioned earlier in the vlog, I'm going to be unboxing my mattress, which I'm so excited about. Finally, I'm going to be having a bed. So the mattress that I've ordered from is from Sleepy Cat. So one of the main reasons why I ordered from Sleepy Cat is because it's 100% made in India. Other than that, it also has a 10-year warranty, 30-day free trial, and also a 0% EMI option. So let's get started and unbox the mattress. So the mattress that I've ordered is a queen size mattress, and it also has an 8-inch height. So since this is gonna be a floor bed, it was important for me that the height was a little bit taller than average. When I sleep, I tend to feel super hot. So the fact that this mattress has a gel memory foam really helps, because it just helps distribute your body weight evenly and helps reduce the amount of heat. Other than that, it was important for me that the mattress was long lasting and durable. So the fact that this has high density foam support layer really helps. And this is the final look. I'm so happy with my mattress. The mattress that I got is an 8-inch mattress. There are also a lot of options available on their website. Like there's a bed, like a bed frame. I'm considering getting that. I right now really like the whole concept of like a floor bed, so I'm gonna stick to that for a while. But they also have mattress protectors, which I'm also gonna get. So make sure to check out the link in the description box below. I'm also going to leave a code here on the screen which you can use. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm so happy with my mattress. Would totally recommend. Okay, so I didn't give you details about the floor bed. So abhi to there's like a chatai jiske upar I've kept the bed, but I'm planning on getting like a jute rug. Hi, I'm vlogging. Get out of the frame.
I'm relaxing. You get out of the frame.
Now I'm gonna go and get started with packing. I know I look so sweaty. We've been just packing the whole day. Yeah, let's go.
Looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we...
I need to give an intro, right?
Hi everyone, my name is...
Hi guys! So as you can see, we're giving Aditya a haircut. I've never cut like a guy's hair in my life. I've been cutting my hair since 5 years. But okay, let's see. So when was the last time you cut your hair?
12th March at Lush Salon.
Okay, anyway, so we don't have a spray can. So we're using this. Are you ready? ठीक है, अभी यहाँ से fast forward होगा तो 2 minutes.
Forever, can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're what I need.
Keep your phone aside. You don't need to
I have to look.
No.
You are cutting it for the first time. I need to look, na.
बकवास कस्टमर मिलता है ना इसमें.
Dude, मम्मा कर मत है इधर. Guys, ये कर रहा हूँ मैं तो आप वीडियो लाइक जरूर कीजिए. सर 10,000 लाइक पहुंचा नहीं ये वीडियो. तो मैं अगला महीना है मतलब 2 महीने बाद वापस से
टेंशन बहुत ले रहे हो. इतना टेंशन मत लो. आदि का तो बिल्कुल भी मत लो.
अभी it's too late तुझसे नहीं आता है.
So this is the final look, guys. How do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
अभी धोने के बाद ही समझेगा, but okay. This is the back. Aftermath of cutting your hair at home. Hi guys, so it's a Saturday night and it's a spa night today. I mean, it doesn't need to be like a specific day for me to be like a spa day. But anyway, I've put on a face mask. Aditya, why don't you show what you look like? हाथ दिखा के हिलाइए कैमरा.
हाथ दिखा के हिला.
And I'm giving Adya a head massage. I'm sure you know who Adya is. She's Aditya's sister. By the way, you guys are probably wondering how my like meeting Aditya, my new house, without giving too much away, my new house is literally a few steps away from Aditya's place, which is why we're able to like mingle. So yeah, that's the plan for tonight. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome to, I don't even know what day of packing. The entire day was a packing day. As you can see, a lot of packing was done today. I received a parcel today. I think 99% sure I am. This is, I mean, sorry, I don't even have words. So as I was saying, I'm 99% sure कि ये parcel के अंदर मेरा TV council unit है. Even though we don't have a TV yet, we have a TV table. So let's unbox it and build it, I guess.
Can I take you there? Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be?
And yeah, that's all for today's carpentry workshop.
Hi guys, welcome to another day. So today was a filming day. I thought since I'm here, might as well I'll make the most use out of it and try to like shoot in these like pretty corners. So I just got done filming a video, but I thought I should sit down with Aditya and just answer a couple of questions regarding Simba lifestyle. We get a couple of questions all the time, like frequently asked questions. So we're just gonna sit down, answer those 2-3 questions and hope that really helps. So Aditya is packing right now. Address because I'm not gonna show you, but again, just packing every single day. That's what we've been doing. Also, this is what the Simba lifestyle room looks like. Oh my god, it's such a mess. We just got in some new cardboard boxes. More about these boxes. Usually what we used to do is we used to go to fruit walas, we used to go to raddi walas. In fact, I used to collect all of my PR boxes, as many as we can, and we would try to like recycle and reuse those, but because of the lockdown, it's just not available. Like, how do we even go to fruit walas to get kiwi ke boxes and stuff like that? So we had to buy boxes, which I'm so sad about. Not because of the financial aspect, like not because we had to spend money, but because we are like producing more, and it's gonna have to like get recycled, like more waste basically. So I'm not very happy about that, but we don't have an option. Okay, so I finally have Aditya with us. What did you want to say about your hair?
It's been cut by Mridul, so it's not.
So he's not very happy about the way it looks. So yeah.
No,
anyway,
it looks good in real life.
in
but
real
it's
life,
not.
yeah, it doesn't look good on camera. By the way, wait 1 second. We need to give context. Aditya is the co-founder of Simba Lifestyle, if you didn't know already. Okay, first question. Is Simba Lifestyle का नाम Simba Lifestyle क्यों है? Why did you name it Simba Lifestyle? Do you want to answer it?
Because her pet name is Simba.
Simba, yeah. And we just thought it would be like a cute name.
Cute.
And the reason why we added lifestyle is because we just didn't want to categorize ourselves into like one क्या बोलते हैं,
One aspect or one category.
one category. Exactly, that was the word I was looking for. So we didn't want to stick to just stationery, we didn't want to stick to just home decor. We want to be able to explore all areas. So yeah, the next question, oh my god, we get asked so much, is when is the new stationery kit coming? So it's coming very, very soon. I think it should come out in the next 15 days.
This month, in
This
August.
month, yeah, in
definitely.
August for sure, yeah. What are the new launches? Again, another very frequently asked question.
So we've been working on a lot of products.
Yeah,
like
I know.
during this quarantine,
Yeah.
because that's all we could do. We couldn't meet or anything. So we had
Correct.
a lot of virtual discussions and meetings as to what we can do, because we are completely inactive from, I think, last 2020 planner was the last thing that we launched. Before
Correct.
the pastel trunks now.
Right. Why we didn't launch or we weren't so active is because in January, entire January was occupied by the planner. I know, it was crazy how quickly it sold out. We restocked it, sold out again. It was crazy. Entire January was, we were busy doing that. February mein we moved. So the studio that we had for Simba Lifestyle, that space wasn't enough. So we moved to this new place to set the whole thing up. February nikal gaya, March mein lockdown ho gaya, or now we are here in August. I mean, close to August
We
almost.
actually wanted to remove the stationery kit in March itself or something, but due to the moving, we were like, okay, we'll just push it 10-15 days. So 10-15 days turned into lockdown, which
Yeah.
turned into 4 months.
Yeah, exactly. Coming back to the question, new launches, so much home decor coming. Or kya? Some new things are also coming, like some things that we haven't done in the past. So we're excited and nervous about that as well. And let's answer the last question and wrap it up. Right now, this is the most frequently asked question. It is, when are we restocking the pastel trunks, especially the lavender color? Oh my god. Lavender has been such a hit. I mean, I did anticipate it like being super popular,
Yeah.
but it's doing so well. I think we should be able to restock it in a couple of days or maybe a week
Not
max.
One week, I guess.
1 week max, yes. Hi guys. कितने दिन बाद वीडियो कॉल कर रहे हैं? 2 हफ्तों बाद?
अरे 2 नहीं, ज्यादा हो गया। 3 हफ्ते तो हो गया।
3 हफ्ता नहीं है, 2 हफ्ता हुआ.
आराम से। क्या 3 हफ्ते हो गए किसको? वीडियो कॉल आज करके
So just wanted to come on here and end the vlog. It was supposed to be a day in my life video, but it ended up being like a week in my life. But I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know if you like this new concept. I would love to do it for you guys. And yeah, all the products that I've mentioned in today's video, or whatever I've mentioned in the video, is going to be linked down below. Don't forget to go check it out, and I'll see you very soon in my next vlog.